Hi, this is Tom with a quick tip for BricsCAD, and today I'll show you how to work on a non-aligned parts of your drawing. Let me explain. It's quite easy to work in this part of the building where the walls are aligned to my coordinate system, because when I draw a rectangle, it's aligned to the walls. When I insert a block, it's already aligned to the wall and it's easy. But if I want to draw a table in this part of the building and I draw a rectangle, I've got a problem. It's not aligned to the walls. So I can draw it and then I could rotate it. It's doable, but it's quite problematic. Okay, so when I want to work on this part of the building, I will align my user coordinate system so that I will work easily and everything will be aligned to these walls. To align the working axis with these walls, I will change the orientation of the coordinate system. So I will use the command UCS, which stands for User Coordinate System, and from the command I will use to align it according to an entity. Okay, so I will choose entity, and I will choose entity one of these lines, so I can choose this line. And you can see that the coordinate system has been changed, and you can see my cursor has changed. Now when I type in rectangle command, I can draw the table with the dimensions like this, and the table is aligned to the walls. I can move it, I can insert a chair, and it's already aligned according to my user coordinate system. And once I'm finished working in this aligned part of the building, I can start the command UCS again, and I can choose the world option, and this aligns the coordinate system according to the world. And now I can work here again in this part of the building. Another useful command that comes with this is the plan command. Let's imagine that I am working in this non-aligned part of the building. So I will align my UCS according to this. Okay. But if you imagine that I will be working in this part of the building for the whole day, it's kind of non-aligned on my monitor. So I can use the plan command to align my view according to the current user coordinate system. So I choose the current, and it changes the orientation of my view according to the current user coordinate system. So now it looks like a normal drawing. Now I can work in this part of the building even though it was previously unaligned. To go back, first I can change the user coordinate system back to the world one. Okay. And then I can use the plan command and also set it to world. So my view is again set to the world view. Okay, hope this helps. Take care.